And so this was the job here. The subfloor was pretty rough. Pulled up a couple tiles there. Some serious voids. This is kind of crazy. I took these tiles off here and there's just metal completely rotten. The drywall just freaking crumbled when I pulled it off. Didn't even know what to do here. I ended up cutting a piece of plywood, as you can kind of see there. I glued it to the metal. I use this ready patch here. It's like a quick floor leveling. You put it on there with a trowel. I like to mix it in a mud pan. I did the whole job here. There's my little adhesive I ended up using for the tiles. Used a small trowel there, quarter-inch notch, and just the ceramic cutter, some nippers. This is that patching compound I ended up using there. It's called Speed Finish. Really nice stuff if you got just some small shite to patch for stuff like this. Got a shot of this heater. This heats the whole place. 2-bedroom apartment. That's the furnace. That's the exhaust there. Gas comes in here. No blower. Maybe a little blower in there, but no ducting or anything. That heats the whole place. So that's it. I kind of patched it in. Tried to do the best I could to match it. The tiles weren't the same size. They had already done a patch by the toilet. So just going to have to go back and grout it. And once that all dries up, I was able to kind of get these to sit halfway decent. Got to figure out a solution for that hole. Maybe just put some baseboard in. But that's it. Thanks.